The double dip strategy for making money with your writing. One of the drawbacks of providing a service like writing, compared to many other methods of earning money online, is the fact that you're trading time for money. No matter how fast you can write and how much you charge for your services, there's a limit to how much you can make. In this article, we're going to look at my double dip strategy to make your writing more profitable. The basic strategy here is to retain the right to use what you write for your own purposes. When a client hires you to write a report, articles, an ebook, or anything else, you can both get the right to use that content. Your client can use it however they want, web content, for sale, giveaway reports, etc., and you can do the same. The catch here is that you give your clients a certain amount of time when they have exclusive rights to it, say 60 or 90 days. So when you deliver the writing to them, they can sell it or do anything else without having to worry about any competition from you. After that exclusivity period ends, you can then use it as well. This not only gives you the ability to generate more revenue from that writing, it also gives your clients an incentive to use it right away. There are a couple of things that will make this strategy work more effectively. First, you should agree that you won't give the content away or use it in any way that would undercut your client. If they want to sell the ebook, you shouldn't give it away or charge less than they do. Otherwise, you're going to find it harder to find clients interested in this deal. The second component to making this as effective as possible is charging less for this type of writing project than you would for writing that was for your client's exclusive use. For example, if you were writing a 2,500 word report for them, you might charge $50 for shared rights, which is 2 cents per word, versus $100 for exclusive rights, or 4 cents per word. You could adjust these prices according to what you charge, of course, but getting a deal on the writing is part of the incentive to get your clients to sign up for this type of shared content offer.